Hello everyone, this is your boy KP from Forex World DC. Today I'm going to show you how to use an indicator called Jackson support and resistance combined with the volume indicator to get more accurate signals. Without wasting time, let's just jump on it. Okay, under navigator you go to your indicators to plug this Jackson support and resistance. You see here under market, here's Jackson support and resistance. If you don't know how to download Jackson support and resistance, there's a video in the description below that will show you how to download Jackson support and resistance. Okay, double click this Jackson support and resistance. You see here it's already on our screen. Then you go to the strategy tester to test this indicator. Okay, you go on top of Jackson support and resistance, you press option, you press test, we wait. Okay, here's our strategy tester. Here's the symbol, which is Nasdaq. You choose any symbol of your choice. We're back testing on 1 hour time frame, custom period of your choice, modeling every tick. Okay, you press start. Just bring it on this side, guys. Now you're gonna add your volume indicator. How? Through Templat. Okay, you go on the chart, you go to Templat. I've already created a volume template. If you don't know how to create a volume template, there's a video in the description below. Make sure you check that video. It will tell you how to create a volume template. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our content, and make sure you like the video and you leave the comment below to tell us your thoughts about this video. Okay, without wasting time, let us jump to the volume. You press the volume here, then you press play, your volume will show up and everything will be in order. And the way this thing works is that you wait for a signal, then you wait for divergence. You confirm the signal with the divergence. Okay, let us wait and I will show you how does this thing work. Okay, let's pause a little bit. Okay, it has disappeared, guys. 5 candlesticks after the signal has shown up. That tells you the signal is valid. Okay, let us continue. We're patiently waiting for the signal. Here's the signal. 5 candlesticks after the signal. We're waiting for our signal, a valid signal. Waiting for a valid signal. Patiently waiting for a valid signal. Okay guys, we already have 5 candlesticks, so now we are paying a close attention to volume. Now what you wanna see on the volume is a divergence. When we see a divergence plus a spike in the volume that is 2 times greater than the previous volume, now that will be our full confirmation. We will get to the market and open our positions. Okay, let me show you what do I mean by that. Now analyze, pay attention guys, pay attention to the volume. You can see the volume is already diverging. Okay, if you want crosshair, Control plus F, you get your crosshair. Okay, you analyze the volume. Let us pause a little bit and analyze the volume. You see, when you draw a trend line from here to here, you will see that you have a divergence. It's diverging with the market. Now we are waiting for a volume spike that will break this trend line, and the spike must be 2 times greater than the previous spike. That will be our full confirmation. Then we will open the positions. Okay, let us continue. Now here's our spike, guys. Let us pause. Here's our spike. Control plus F for crosshair. Here's our spike. Now this spike tells us to get into the market. It's confirming this buy, guys. Now we get to the market. We open our buy position. Let's continue. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I have 6 candlesticks. That tells me to close all my buy position and start analyzing the volume for a sell signal confirmation. We are patiently waiting for divergence here on our volume. Here's the signal. Let's pause a little bit. 1 2 3 4. We're waiting for the last candle. Now we have 5 candlesticks after the sell signal. Now start analyzing the volume indicator. Start analyzing the volume indicator. Control plus F for crosshair. Now want the divergence, guys. Want the divergence to confirm this sell. Waiting for our confirmation. Patiently waiting for our confirmation, guys. Patience is the key. Patiently waiting. Let's see if we don't have any divergence. Control plus F. Divergence. Guys, we already have a divergence here. As you can see here, Control plus F. Here, from here to here, the market is moving upwards. Then from here to here, the market is moving downwards. That is a divergence, guys. And there is a spike. There is a volume spike that is 2 times greater than the previous spike, which is our full confirmation for sell signal. Now we will open our sell position, targeting previous lows. Guys. Okay, let us continue. We are already in the market, in profit, as you can see, guys. The indicator is very powerful when it is combined with other indicators. Already in profit, guys. We in profit. Don't forget that you have to target your previous lows here, which means our first TP is here. Our first TP is here, guys. It's here. Our first TP is here. It's here. You target these lows. You target these lows, guys. You target lows. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, guys, you are out of the market. The signal for buy have shown up, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 candlesticks after the buy signal. That tells us to go to close our position and go out of the market with nice profit. As you can see, we entered here. That is very nice movement we caught here. Okay guys, that is how this Jackson support and resistance indicator works very well when it's combined with volume indicator. It's simply a signal plus a divergence from your volume. That is your boy KP from the Forex World DC. We're signing out.